Welcome back to SoCal Outlander ATV. Today's video is part of a maintenance video series I'm putting together. We're going to be cleaning out the engine air filter, which should be done as part of its regular Outlander ATV maintenance. Frequency depends on what type of conditions you ride in. However, this should be done regularly if riding in sandy or dusty conditions. Not to mention, a clean air filter leads to more horsepower, longer engine life, and fewer frequent oil changes. Although I'll be demonstrating this on my ATV, the same cleaning process applies to almost all ATV and UTV air filters. With all that being said, let's get started with this maintenance video. I ordered this Maxima Racing Oils air filter maintenance combo kit online for just under $24. It includes an aerosol can of air filter cleaner and also Fab 1 spray-on air filter oil. To access the air filter location on the Outlander, we'll want to remove the passenger seat if equipped and the driver's seat. Remove the plastic dash by lifting the console upwards. Rotate the air filter cover counterclockwise to unlock. You can now remove the air filter from the chamber. Start the cleaning process by removing the foam sleeve over the paper air filter. You want to tap out the heavy dust from the paper air filter. The manual doesn't recommend blowing compressed air to clean the air filter, as it might damage the paper fibers and reduce its filtration ability. You also do not want to wash the paper filter with any cleaning solution. Paper air filters have a limited lifespan, so if you see it's too dirty or too clogged, you want to replace it instead. As for the foam filter sleeve, I'll start by giving it a quick water rinse. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using a glass bowl. The quick water rinse should wash off the heavier dirt particles, but as you can see, the sleeve is still looking quite dirty. Grab the aerosol can of air filter cleaner and spray the sleeve inside and out, letting it sit for 1 to 3 minutes per directions. Afterwards, rinse it off again with clean water, massaging the foam filter to loosen stubborn dirt and dust. As you can see, the foam filter returns to a like new condition. I'm happy with how clean it is now. However, if needed, feel free to reapply the product and repeat. Lastly, rinse off the foam sleeve in clean water and let it completely dry before the next step. After the foam sleeve has dried, grab your aerosol can of Fab 1 spray-on air filter oil and give the sleeve a uniform coating inside and out. You want to gently massage the oil residue into the air filter sleeve and let it dry for 15 minutes. Once the time has passed, reinstall the foam filter sleeve over the paper filter. Before placing the filter back into the air filter chamber, you want to check for and wipe off any dirt or debris. Once that's done, install the air filter into the chamber, rubber side in first. Ensure the air filter cover is properly locked onto the air filter housing by turning clockwise. You may now reinstall the plastic dash. Follow that up with the driver and passenger seat if equipped. You have now completed cleaning your engine air filter. As stated before, this is a crucial maintenance step that should be done frequently depending on riding conditions. The Maxima air filter cleaner worked as well as I hoped, bringing my foam filter back to life like new condition. And judging by the amount of fine dust and debris that washed out of the foam filter, I feel confident the Maxima Fab 1 spray-on air filter oil has been doing its job in keeping fine contaminants out of the intake system. I highly recommend these two products and will leave purchase links down below if interested. Well, that does it for today's video. Make sure you follow along on the scheduled maintenance video series I'm putting together on this channel. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a like and comment down below, as that helps my channel tremendously. Also, make sure you subscribe for more upcoming maintenance and riding videos coming your way. As always, have fun, ride safe, and we'll catch you here on the next one at SoCal Outlander ATV.